Make a video about the 2020 Chevy 6.6 liter. I bought an exhaust from MBRP for it. Sounded great on their video, that's why I wanted it. It's different in person, so I'm going to go ahead and explain about it. I'm not trying to bash their product, but it's not for me. I'll explain why. Hopefully this helps you when you go to buy one. Listen with headphones. It sounds totally different with headphones, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is the exhaust from MBRP. I'm a little out of order. This has already been on my truck and taken back off my truck. So this is what it looks like. It's probably a little cleaner the day you get it, but this has been on and off my truck twice. Well, not twice, but it's been put on and then taken off. So it comes with this 4-inch exhaust tip. It's a little big in my opinion. There's a resonator, or this is the resonator. There's 2 of them, but as you can see, there's not much. Can you get in there? There's not much in there. Pretty hollow. Comes with the easy hang brackets, instructions, and here's the other. This bolts up right after the cat. But again, nothing really in there, so it's very loud, very hollow sounding. Alright. So pretty much that's the kit. Again, like I said, it's for some people it may sound great. For some people they may like it. It's extremely loud. It's extremely drony. If you listen with headphones to the video that I'll make here in a minute, you'll see how loud it is. Again, my videos are out of order, so sorry about the nighttime video. Take a listen, and hopefully this helps you before you buy it. If you're looking for an exhaust that's deep and rumbles, then this isn't it. If you're looking for a very loud, deep, droning noise constantly, then this is the one you're looking for. Stay tuned for the rest. Again, it's just, my opinion that when you look at these trucks, they're very nice trucks. They're very, I don't know, they're not stupid, and it has the sound of a 2006 Chevy SS pickup truck with the, oh well, there it is, with the 6.0 loud, drony, annoying noise. This is regular driving. So, I'll get on it here in a minute for you. This is stop sign to stop sign. Not even 2,000 RPMs. I'll show you the RPM gauge here. Gets real loud right around 1900. That's 40, not even. So it does sound really good when you're getting in the gas. Otherwise, it's not a. But again, something that this truck is known for is when you drive these trucks, they're extremely quiet, like extremely quiet. You can almost fall asleep driving this thing. It's really quiet. You could have conversations in the cab, no problem. So now with this exhaust, the minute you give it the gas, you gotta kind of talk a little louder. So hope this helps anybody. I'll put up some videos of when I take the exhaust out and some videos from underneath. But I'm taking it out. It's too much for me, and it doesn't fit the look of the truck. I just don't think it sounds right on this truck.